Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to chat in Messenger without internet. All you need to do is go to your Messenger app and then let's try to send a message on your friends or who you want to chat. Now let's try to send a message. As you can see, it's not turning around or it's not sent to your friends because of no internet. To send this message, go to Google Chrome and search for mfacebook.com or freefacebook.com. As you can see here, I'm on my freefacebook.com. So let's try to tap on the messenger icon and tap a friend who you want to send a message. So I will send on message thumbs up. As you can see, there is no sign that your message is sending. But remember, I'm on Facebook free. And that's how you basically how to send a message on Messenger without internet. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.